Hi, here again we're coming up with one more video regarding interview. So common mistakes in an interview that people commit during an interview. We have a few courses on PI-VAT training, which is for management entrance. Okay, we also have only PI training for management entrance, and we have PI training for summer and final placements. Now, this specific video is regarding how do you portray your work and what is the common mistake that people do when they portray your work or show your work as such. Okay, so first and very important is be proud of your work. So whatever work you did, whatever you learned from your work, you need to be proud of your work. Okay, if you are not proud, then a panelist will not be proud of it. I mean, you need to value your work. Only then will the panelist value your work, else they will never value your work. Okay, so be proud of your work, know what you've learned from there. Okay, something or the other, that's where you've learned, and that's what you need to be. Very important. Also, general attitude towards your work will make a difference in terms of your attitude towards life. So whatever attitude you have towards your work experience, I mean, you did it with passion or you did it with lack of interest, that is generally a tendency of how people have towards life, and that's what a panelist will look at you. So if the panelist feels that you have not done your work with interest, at least in your workplace, then there's a chance that they'll feel that you will have the same attitude in your MBA program or after that, and that will hamper your chance of getting through. So that means it's very important that you show right attitude with regards to your work experience. So let me start tell you about a very common story of three bricklayers, and this is a story which has been there for right now. But this gives you a right picture about your work. How do you need to portray your work? So there were three bricklayers who were building a temple. Okay, so a man went and asked each of them what were they doing. The first one said that I'm laying the bricks. Okay, that's not my work. I'm laying the brick, bricklayer. So he's laying the brick. He went to a second person and asked what he was doing. So he's saying, I build walls. So I'm building walls. And he went to a third person and asked, what is he doing? He's saying, I am building a temple for my God. Now, three different people doing the same work but different perspectives of work. Who do we think will be really motivated to do his work in the best possible manner? Obviously, a third person, because he looks at the bigger picture of the whole thing and he is really proud of his work. What is he doing? Though the first, second, and third person are all doing the same work, no difference. Now you need to think about what you want to be. You want to be like the first person or the third person. Remember, tomorrow when you go for a job, a lot of jobs involve you to start from the beginning. I mean, even if you pass out from the best of colleges, you may start with just doing some PowerPoint or Excel or just stapling or Xeroxing or something on that. But only if you do your current work properly will people appreciate you, and you will be promoted over a period of time. You will start at the bottom, but to go on the top, you need to be proud of whatever you do and do everything that you want with passion. So remember the story of three bricklayers. Think what you want to be and accordingly portray your work in your CV and in the answers that you give to your panelist. Right? Thank you.